Hi all the students, welcome to my channel Science with Piku YouTube channel, and I am here to discuss about the ICSE board RS Agoral book math chapter number 2 exponent and powers. So if we write a to the power m, so m is power and a is the base. M is power and a is the base. So here some formulas. First formula is it a to the power m multiplied a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. If we multiply both the terms and base, where base are same, then the base we write the base one time. How many base is here? We write the base one time and the powers must be add, because if multiply sign is there, the power must be added. Here is the rule. Second rule is it a to the power m by a to the power n and divided by a to the power m divided by a to the power n. We divide the when we divide the two exponent and powers, when we divide then base, how many base is there? Base, right, we one times write base and the powers must be subtracted from numerator to the denominator. Numerator power minus denominator power, and the base should be right one time. Okay, and the power of the base we subtract numerator's power minus denominator power. Okay, third formula is it a to the power m by b to the power n equals to a by b whole to the power n. Here when base is different, then the base we write the base a by b whole to the power m, and a to the power m into b to the power m we write a b whole to the power m. Here is 4 formula is needed for doing this chapter, and continue to the math. First math is here a to the power 6 into a to the power 8. So base, when base are same and the multiply sign is there, then power must be added. So here two base is the same, so a must be right and its power 6 plus 8, because when multiply sign is there, power must be added. So a to the power 6 plus 8 equal to a to the power 14. Okay, next math. X to the power 5 multiplied x to the power minus 3. So x to the power 5 multiplied x to the power minus 3. So here 2x base is the same and we write x, and the head of the x or power of the x 5 plus minus 3, because when multiply sign is there we added the powers, so x, so x 5 plus minus multiplied hole plus minus multiply, when we multiply plus and minus, so sign is minus 3, so x power is 2. This is the answer. 3 math, z to the power 9 multiplied z to the power 3 multiplied z to the power minus 6. So here bases are same, we write one base, any one base. Here base is same and multiplied sign, so the power must be added. So z to the power 6 answer. Z power 6. It is the R.S. Agarwal math book, and the problem and the solution of the problems of R.S. Agarwal math book. So here we see the different base A and B. Here we can see A and B different base. So we can write the similar base. We can write the similar base, and here is two similar base. So similar base, so one base must be right and the power must be added. Same base power added. So answer is a to the power 7 into b to the power 7. Answer is a to the power 7 b to the power 7. Okay, next 5x to the power 7 into 3x to the power 4. Here two constant term, so 5 3s are 15, and x to the power 3 is 7 and x to the power 4. So 1x can be right and power must be added. So 15 x to the power 11. Okay. Next math. So here we can see different base terms, different base. So similar base can write similar base and the other similar base we write. So similar base power must be added, and here two similar base, so power must be added. So okay, so here 4 plus minus multiply, if we multiply plus minus, so minus. So here a formula we forgot, so here we discuss. Here one formula is there, so here we can write Q inverse equals to 1 by Q. Okay, so P to the power 8 by Q. Next, so next math, V double I, x to the power 7 into y to the power minus 5 into x to the power minus 5 into y to the power cube. So similar terms we can write, then another similar terms we can write, similar base terms. Okay, so here power must be added and here power must be added. So plus minus, when we multiply plus and minus, then minus is there. Plus into plus equals to plus, plus into minus equals to minus, minus multiplied minus equals to plus, plus multiplied minus equal to minus, minus multiplied plus equal to minus. Okay, so here four formula, algebraic four formula when we multiply the signs. So plus multiplied minus, then minus, we get minus. So x power 2 y minus 5 plus 3 minus 2, we can write 1 by y square, because when the minus powers is there, So we write 1 by these terms, y square terms, minus we use minus for 1 by y square. Okay, so x square by y square. Next math. So here we write similar terms and we write these similar terms. So when multiply sign is there, the power must be added. Power must be added. So plus minus, when we multiply plus and minus, then minus is there. So y to the power minus 2 equal to 1 by y square, x to the power minus 2 1 by x square, so 1 by x square y square. Next math. X to the power 6, y to the power 4, z to the power minus 2, x to the power minus 3, y to the power minus 5, z to the power minus 1 into x square into z to the power 4. So we write similar terms, x to the power 6, x to the power minus 3, x to the power 2, y to the power 4, y to the power minus 5, z to the power minus 2, z to the power minus 1, z to the power 4. So power must be added. Power must be added. Here power must be added, and here power must be added. So x to the power 6 minus 3 plus 2, y to the power 4 minus 5, z to the power minus 2 minus 1 plus 4. So x to the power 3 plus 2, y to the power minus 1, and z to the power minus 3 plus 4. So x to the power 5, y to the power minus 1 means 1 by y, z to the power plus 1 equals to x to the power 5 into z by y. Okay, today first part. Next day we will post another part of R.S. Agarwal. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.